Okay, this video is for all the researchers who are doing research in lab works like molecular techniques, PCR, immunohistochemistry, Western blotting, and they want to select the antibodies which they purchase either from Thermo Fisher, AppCam, or there are so many websites available, Sigma, from which they actually order the antibodies. But before going to proceed further, they should know if they are using like primary and secondary antibodies differently, then they should know the reactivity and source. Because for example, if you are working with rat and you are doing some immunohistochemistry or Western blotting or like anything which needs antibodies to be used, then you want primary antibodies first. Then that primary antibodies should be reactive against rat only, but the source can be anything. But source is required when you select the secondary antibody, because against that antibodies will be binding. So for example, if you want to detect any protein in rat, so you want the reactivity of that, suppose that protein, for example any protein, whatever you want to look into, against that you need the antibody. So against rat you need to order the primary antibody, but the source, suppose for example goat, so whenever you order the secondary antibody you need that and secondary antibody anti goat. So this is how it works. So that's why any data sheet they provide, you must see for the source and reactivity. Also sometimes what happens is, if you don't want to order two separate antibodies, then you can only select one antibody, but that antibody is already tagged with the detection system. So like that antibody is named as anti something, like anti fluorescence means anti goat, and that protein name and the source. Okay, so this is how you can select the antibodies. So if you have more queries on that, please tell me. I can try, or we can chat in the chat box what your queries are. Thank you.